Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 4 quick and easy ways to unclog drains and pipes in your home. Is your kitchen sink clogged, or maybe you've had a clogged drain in the bathroom or shower? Don't worry, there are quick and easy ways to fix clogged drains with a few things you already have at home without having to pay a plumber. In this video, I'll show you a few proven natural ways to unclog drains using baking soda, vinegar, and hydrogen peroxide. So roll up your sleeves and let's clear clogged drains once and for all. Tip number 1. Hot water and dish soap. This is the easiest and cheapest option. Boil 2 liters of water and add a few teaspoons of liquid detergent. Pour the mixture down the drain. This method works well because it cleans the grease that ends up clogging the pipes in the kitchen. You may have to repeat the procedure a few times, but you'll be surprised at how well it works. It's important to remember that hot water can damage some types of PVC pipes, so check the type of piping you have at home before using this procedure. Tip 2. Have you ever tried baking soda and vinegar? Usually, the kitchen sink clogs most often due to food and grease residue that accumulates in the pipes. The mixture will fizz and help unclog the sink's pipes. Pour a cup of baking soda down the sink drain and then a cup of vinegar. Cover the drain hole with a cloth and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then pour hot water into the sink. Tip 3. Use rock salt, baking soda, and water. Another very effective mixture is mixing rock salt with baking soda and water. These two can work wonders, especially when it comes to clogged drains. Not to mention, it's great for odors in the pipes. Pour 1/2 cup of rock salt and 1/2 cup of baking soda down the drain. Let it sit for half an hour, and then pour hot water down your sink drain to clear it. Tip 4. Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda. Did you know that hydrogen peroxide can also be used to unclog your drain? Mix 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Pour this mixture down the drain and let it sit for a few minutes. This procedure won't only help unclog, but also clean the drain. Remember to wear rubber gloves to protect your hands. Now that you've solved the problem, remember to follow these tips to avoid clogs. Avoid throwing grease, coffee grounds, food scraps, or other materials into the sink. Make sure you remove all food debris from the drain after washing dishes. If you have tried any of these tips, let me know which one worked best for you. If you know of any other handy ways to unclog drains and sinks, let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.